What if your school could reduce energy bills, hit decarbonisation targets, and get expert support every step of the way? At Baxi, we cover all angles. Our hybrid and all-electric heating and hot water solutions are perfect for schools. Upgrading your system can reduce energy costs, cut carbon emissions, and support your net zero goals. Our hybrid systems combine the best of both worlds, transforming outdated boiler rooms into efficient, low-carbon powerhouses. They're future-ready and proven across the UK education sector. Our solutions also harness thermal energy from the air around us. Prefer to go all-electric? Our solutions are designed to support your net zero goals, backed by reliable performance and expert guidance. From initial design and specification to installation and ongoing technical support, we're with you every step of the way. Whatever the size or scale of your project, Baxi delivers the full solution built around your school's needs. Baxi, we cover all angles.